The world of robotics has been evolving in front of our very eyes over the decades. These machines are built to make lives easier, and some even think they will continue to take the place of humans as the world becomes more digital. But just how fast are some of these machines at making calculations, solving complex problems, or even outpacing humans? Let's find out as we at Tech Titans count down the 5 fastest robots. Number 5. Sub 1. The Sub 1 was created by the German technological company Infineon. The robot has a sphere-like frame with 6 arms that extend inward at various angles. The robot has a microcontroller that allows the arms to move physically. The machine solves problems by utilizing specially designed microchips and camera sensors that are capable of completing specified tasks at lightning speeds. Sub 1's ability to quickly solve a Rubik's Cube puzzle was first demonstrated by Infineon at the Electronica trade show in Munich. As the audience watches, the robot solves the puzzle in 0.637 seconds, setting a new Guinness World Record. The fastest time ever recorded for a human solving the puzzle is 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 4. MIT Cheetah. MIT researchers designed and built the robot with funding from the U.S. Department of Defense's Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. The machine's large rectangular body contains 12 lightweight but powerful motors, and microchip-based algorithms would regulate physical movement and the amount of force exerted by each of the robot's 4 legs while walking, running, and jumping. Specially designed sensors are also included in the robot and video game-like controller. An onboard computer collects data from each sensor and relays it to the motors. Cheetah and the controller were powered by batteries. With its batteries fully charged, the Cheetah can reach top speeds of 29.2 miles per hour, 47 kilometers per hour, and jump over obstacles 16 inches tall. The MIT team believes that the technology has numerous real-world applications. The robot can transport military equipment. The robot could also be used in search and rescue operations. Number 3. Raptor. The voracious velociraptors popularized by the Jurassic Park films inspired the robot Raptor, which was developed by the Korea Advanced Suit of Science and Technology's MSC lab in South Korea. The robot has 2 actuated legs that resemble reptile legs. Each leg is powered by a single motor. The legs also have a shock-absorbing system similar to an Achilles tendon. The carbon fiber, epoxy composite feet resembled amputees' flexible, slender prosthetic legs. A spinning lever attached to the right side of what could be considered the robot's hip region serves as a stabilizing tail. When in motion, the robot can reach speeds of up to 28.5 miles per hour, or 46 kilometers per hour. The device is currently connected to the power and control unit. However, the research team hopes to upgrade the robot so that it can roam freely. Number 2. Robot Arm. The robotic arms were designed by researchers at the École Polytechnique Fédérale de Louvain in Switzerland to mimic human movement. The robot can detect objects moving in its direction thanks to strategically placed cameras. The onboard computer computes the trajectory of each object and controls the arm's movement accordingly. The arm is 1.5 meters long and has 3 joints, as well as a hand and 4 jointed fingers. When an object was thrown, the team taught the robot to catch by manually guiding the arm in the appropriate direction. The computer software saves the information, allowing the device to respond quickly to data changes. Each movement takes only a fraction of a second. In video demonstrations, the robot effortlessly grabs and clutches each object. The designers of the robot arm believe that similar devices could be used to protect humans from falling objects. Number 1. Outrunner. The Outrunner robot was created by a Robotics Unlimited research team led by Sebastian Cotton. The Florida Institute for Human and Machine Cognition is affiliated with the company. The robot is less than 2 feet tall and weighs about 3 pounds. The machine's body is black and resembles the classic arcade game Pac-Man. A motor and processing unit are located on each side of the body. Each rotating motor has 3 legs. The robot is controlled by radio waves, but the team intends to develop an app that will allow them to operate the device using mobile devices and Wi-Fi signals. The tiny robot runs on alternating feet at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. On a single charge of the battery, Outrunner can run for up to 2 hours. Thank you for tuning into Tech Titans. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like it and subscribe so you do not miss any of our future videos.